geography snippet looks at the structure of the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests have a series of different layers. Each layer contains different plants and animals which are adapted to the conditions that are found there. The different layers thrive and rely on different amounts of sunlight. The tallest layer within the tropical rainforest are the emergent trees. These are the ones that poke their heads out above the main canopy. The emergent trees grow really tall because they have access to sunlight. They have straight trunks and they only have branches and leaves at the very top where they can get the light. They have huge roots which spread out, which are called buttress roots, and these support their trunks. Underneath the emergent layer, we find the main canopy. The main canopy is a continuous layer of trees. Like the emergents, they only have leaves at the top. The dense layer of leaves shades the rest of the forest. Trees which make it to the main canopy, or the emergent layer, are quite successful as they are able to spread out and make the most of the sunlight. Shaded by the trees in the emergent layer and the main canopy, we then come to the under canopy. This is typically made up of younger trees that have yet to reach their full height. They can only survive where there are breaks in the canopy to let a little bit of light through. When this happens, the trees compete against one another to be the one that fills the space. And now to the darkest layer in the forest, the shrub layer. This is nearest the ground, where it's quite dark all of the time. Shrubs have large, broad leaves to absorb as much of the available light as they can. Underneath the shrub layer, we have a layer which is made up of the decomposers. Any leaves and wood and fallen trees end up here, and they're really quickly recycled as they rot down and are consumed by parasites and fungi.